my friends, welcome back to the lab. Hope you are doing well. Has been a long time, I think 2 weeks since I uploaded a video. So I've been wanting to use one of these tiny phones. So this is a feature phone. So I resorted to going through my stuff and I found this. So the main advantage of using something like this is when you want to get away, like I need to get off the internet for a little bit, and at the same time I want to be able to make some calls. Sometimes I need to call her. So one of these will really come in handy. So the other advantage of using something like this is about the battery life. So you can go for a week with a single charge on this. So this tiny phone is very good in conserving the charge, since there is nothing much going on with this. It has no internet access. The display is tiny. The resolution is not that great. The just basic stuff, calls, messages, yeah. So the one I have right here has an issue though. The issue it has is with charging, right? As you can see, we have a gaping hole right there where the charging port is supposed to be. Well, today I want to solve that. Let's solve the issue with charging. The first thing we need to do, of course, is to open the thing up. We remove the screws. Has 6 of them that need to come off. I need a better screwdriver. So I think you need to come closer and see how the process goes. So the screws are off, but one is refusing to come off. This one, I think the threads are gone. No, I might be using a very bad screwdriver, and I think I need to upgrade my tools. So also I have this new camera, and this video is also a test. I'm testing, and I want to see how good the camera is. Maybe we are going to talk about it later. So this is how the device looks from the inside. Nothing much. We need to remove this. And this is the charging port. So this is the bad charging port. This one needs to come off. You can see we don't have the internals of this port are gone. We need something to hold our motherboard in place. So we need to hold it in place. Like that. I guess I should remove this plastic, but I think it's good like that. I also need to power up my hot air station. Let me do that. I set the temperature to around 350 degrees. I also need one of these pots. So unfortunately the pots I have, they look like this. So these ones are for smartphones. This is very unfortunate, and I can't use this on this. So maybe we can salvage it from somewhere. So I have another motherboard here, the same type as you can see. I guess this one will do. You know, it's not going to last that long. We need to use a new one. So this is some flux, a very dirty flux. We apply some. So I'm zoomed in. I want to remove this. I need to cover my plastic. I need a pair of tweezers. I need a tweezer here. I'll come with my hot air. Comes off just like that. Very, very easy. I need to clean those pads. And for cleaning, I'm going to use a wick. This thing, this is a soldering wick. I add a little bit of solder. Just to remove that factory lead-free solder. And this thing does well when it comes to cleaning. Now this is the good piece. We wait for it to cool down. Very clean. The next step is using this. So this is a solder paste. We scoop a little, then we smear. That is how clean it's supposed to be. You can see through the holes. Then we clean. Very nice. You see? That's how clean the pads are. So we need to apply some solder paste. We apply a little bit of solder paste, this stuff. Like that. Then we come with our new pot. It's not new, but this one will do. We align it like that. Come back with the hot air. We heat it until we see that solder melting. You can see the pot move. That means the solder is melted and our pot is in place. Give it a few seconds for it to cool down. Then you can come with your paper towel and clean it. Turns out it's not well seated. Come back. Sometimes these things need some assistance. And by the way, how do you think about the video quality? We got a new camera, and I think the camera is doing me justice. Now you can come with your soldering gun and touch those pins. Make sure they are well soldered. Also eliminate some of the solder joints that might be there. I'm comfortable with the results. You can see they are well soldered. If we zoom, you can see how well they are. I don't even need to check for continuity using my multimeter. I can just see that they are good. So the next thing is putting the phone back together and testing whether the charger will work. The port is well, good as new. So I have the battery here. I push it in. What? Let me see. See? Actually, it works. And now it's time to get out of the internet. So this week I'm going to be offline using this. Well, see you next week. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let me know whether my video quality is good. So I just wanted to make a random video today to test out the camera I got. Well, see you around.